In this short tutorial, you will learn how to remove your YouTube profile picture easily. Having a profile picture that you no longer want can be frustrating, but with just a few simple steps, you can quickly remove it. To get started, open up any web browser you like and then search for default profile picture. Then tap on this default profile picture from Wikipedia. Now you need to download this to your device. To do that, touch and hold the photo, and then select Save to Photos. Once you've downloaded that, exit the web browser and open up the YouTube mobile app and then tap on the U button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap where it says View Channel. Then tap on the pencil button here. And then tap on your current YouTube profile picture. Then tap Choose from your photos. Choose the default profile picture that you just downloaded to your device. Then tap Save at the top right to set this as your new YouTube profile picture. At the time of recording, this is the only way you can remove a YouTube profile picture on a mobile device. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.